Hello friends, thank you so much for visiting my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you find contents useful to you. Thank you so much. Today we are going to discuss on GST e-invoice system portal. As you know, e-invoice is applicable from 1st of October 2020 on a phased manner for all those GST. What is e-invoicing? E-invoicing or electronic invoicing is a system wherein the taxpayer will upload his invoice details and register his supply transaction on the government invoice registration portal and get the invoice reference number generated by the invoice registration portal system. From 1st of October, if the invoice is without the invoice registration IRN number, invoice registration number, then it would not be considered as valid. So first of all, prima facie, we need to check whether the concerned GST number, our GST number, is registered for generating IRN or not. So we need to know the status of the same. For doing so, please log on to einvoice1.gst.gov.in. When you log into this website, the home page would look like this. There are various things to look upon and check out. However, today we are going to focus only on knowing how we can check the status of our GST number, whether we can generate e-invoice or not, whether we can generate IRN or not. So just click on search. The second option which will be available is invoice status check. When you click on the same, this is a page which will open in front of you. You just have to put your GSTN number and CAPTCHA code. What you can see here is a GST number which I have taken randomly from Google. We will just check whether this is whether the status of this e-invoice is disabled or enabled. So when you will enter the GSTN number and the CAPTCHA code and click on go, you can see that the details of GSTN or the status is that e-invoice is enabled for this taxpayer. What does it mean? It means that for this GSTN number, GST department has considered, based upon the data with them, what the SSC has filed in GSTR1, that turnover is more than 500 crores. So e-invoicing is enabled for this taxpayer. Now, in case the SSC considers that turnover is less than 500 crores, then what they can do is they can request the department to disable this facility for this GST number. How can this be done? You just need to write a mail on this email ID, support.einv.api@gov.in, and you have to request that since my turnover is less than 500 crores, please disable e-invoice facility for this GSTN number. Let's take another example. Again, the GST number, I have taken it from Google. Enter the CAPTCHA code and click go. When this is done, the status for this GSTN number is e-invoice is not enabled for this taxpayer. What does it mean? It means that based upon GSTR1 data filed with the department considers that turnover of the SSC is less than 500 crores. Thus, e-invoice facility is not enabled by the department. However, if the SSC considers that its turnover is more than 500 crores, then in that case, SSC need to click on this link to get the GST number enabled. The link is registration e-invoice enablement. When you click on this link, this page will open. Again, put your GSTN number and captcha code and click on go. All the data pertaining to GST number would be flashed out along with the email ID and mobile number of the registered mobile number of the trader. Click on I agree and generate OTP. When you verify this OTP, a request would be sent to the GST department that for this GST number, e-invoice enablement is required as per the request. So much for your patience hearing. And once again, please subscribe to my channel if you find the contents useful to you. Thank you so much.